I want to be completely honest with you about something. When I first started affiliate marketing, I made almost every mistake in the book. I tried too many platforms. I promoted the wrong products. I had no real system. And for months, real months, I had nothing to show for it. The thing that changed everything wasn't a new tool or a new platform. It was getting clear on exactly what to do first, second, and third. A simple sequence. That's it. In this video, I'm going to give you that sequence day by day, so you don't have to spend months figuring it out the way I had to. Before I get into the 30 days, I need to say this because I think it's the reason most people never actually get started. When you search for how to make money with affiliate marketing, you find videos with 47 steps, courses with 200 modules, and gurus telling you you need a website, an email list, a brand, a YouTube channel, a podcast, and a TikTok profile, all running at the same time. That's not a plan. That's a recipe for overwhelm. Here's what I've learned. After helping people build their income online, and I mean real people, not people with existing audiences or a big ad budget, the ones who make their first $1,000 and not the ones who had the best tools. They're the ones who had the clearest plan. So this video is that plan. 30 days, specific actions, no fluff. And I want to be upfront with you about something before we start. This is realistic, not a get-rich-quick scheme. But if you follow what I'm laying out here, $1,000 a month is absolutely achievable within 30 days. And I'm going to show you why, step by step. Day one has just one job: clarity. You're going to make two decisions today, and only two. First, you're going to pick one niche. Second, you're going to pick one affiliate program to promote. That's it, nothing else. On the niche side, here's the simplest framework I know. Ask yourself this: what is the problem I understand? Either because I've lived it or because I've helped someone else through it. That is your niche. Now, most people in this space gravitate to one of three broad areas: health, wealth, or relationships. And honestly, all three work. But for a beginner who wants to hit $1,000 in 30 days, the wealth category, specifically the online income and affiliate marketing space, is where the combination of commission size and buy intent is the strongest right now. The reason is simple. Someone searching for how to make money online is already in a buying mode. They're not casually browsing, they're looking for a solution. That means your job is half done before they even find your content. Now, the affiliate program, this is where I see beginners get completely derailed. They sign up for an Amazon associate, earn 3% commission, and wonder why after 100 clicks they've earned $4. Here's what I would look for instead, and this is exactly what I'd do on day one if I was starting today. Here's what I'd look for instead. This is exactly what I'd apply on day one if I was starting today. Commissions of 40% or higher. A product that solves a real immediate problem. An existing funnel, meaning the selling is done for you. Training and support built in. A proven track record, not someone's brand new launch. When I built my own income, I focused on a program that checked all 5 of those boxes. I wasn't recreating anything from scratch. I was plugging into something that already worked and pointed people towards it. That's leverage. And at this stage, leverage is everything. Day one, action. Decide your niche. Sign up for one qualifying affiliate program. Done. Move on. Day two. By the way, I'd spend that getting familiar with whatever affiliate program you joined. Watch their training. Read their materials. You cannot confidently share something you don't understand. But days 3 through 7 are about content, and I know that word makes some people uncomfortable. Paul, I don't want to be on camera. Paul, I don't want to say. I hear that all the time. So let me simplify this completely. You need one content method, not 5. One. And it needs to serve a specific purpose, bringing in free traffic that leads people to your affiliate link. Here's the method if I was starting today with 0 audience. I'd pick YouTube specifically, short form and mid-length tutorial videos, and I'd target one specific type of keyword. Not the massive competitive keywords, the specific answer-based questions. Think how to start affiliate marketing with no experience, or best affiliate programs for beginners. Someone typing into your YouTube knows what they want. They're not browsing. They have a question. Your job is to answer it better than anyone else on page 1. Now, you don't need perfect production. I've seen videos filmed on a phone with natural window light outperform studio quality content because the information was more useful. During days 3 through 7, here's your target. Publish 2 or 3 videos answering specific beginner questions in your niche. Not 10, not 20, 2 or 3, but done well, with a clear call of action pointing to your affiliate link in the description. Each video follows a simple structure. Identify the problem the viewer has, give them a genuine solution, and show them where to go next. That's it. That's the whole content formula. And here's something I want you to remember, because I learned this the hard way. The goal of your content isn't to go viral. The goal is to be useful to the specific person who's already looking for what you know. One person who watches your whole video and clicks the link is worth 100 who bounce in the first 10 seconds. All right, you now picked your program, you've published your first piece of content. Now, days 8 through 14, here's where you start getting your first real clicks. This is the part of the journey that feels exciting. Also, the part where most people start to doubt themselves. You put content out, you haven't made money yet. The inner voice starts asking whether this actually works. My friend, this is absolutely normal. This is exactly where people who succeed separate from those who quit. Day 8 through 14 are about 2 things: distribution and your first email capture. On distribution, your videos don't find your own audience in the first week. You have to help them. Share your content where your target audience already hangs out. On distribution, your videos don't find their own audience in the first week. You have to help them along. Share your content where your target audience already hangs out. Facebook groups in the make money online space. Online communities of people exploring side income. Relevant forums, not as spam, as genuine contribution. Answer a question in a Facebook group, then mention your video covers this exact topic in more depth. That's it. This is free traffic method number 2. Community participation. No budget, no ads, just your genuine knowledge placed in front of people who are actively looking for it. Now the email capture. This is what turns a viewer into a long-term relationship, and it's the piece beginners almost always skip. Here's how simple I'd keep it on day 8. Create one lead magnet, not a 40-page PDF, a 1-page checklist, or a short guide, something genuinely useful that a beginner could use today. Call it something like the 5-step beginner checklist for your first affiliate commission. Link to it in every video description. When somebody gives you their email, they're raising their hand and saying, "I trust you. Keep me in the loop." That list becomes your most valuable asset. It doesn't belong to YouTube. It doesn't belong to an algorithm. It belongs to you. By the end of day 14, if you followed this, here's a realistic picture. You'll have 3 to 5 pieces of content live, a lead magnet people can grab, and If you've distributed well, your first click's going through to your affiliate offer. Your first commission might not have landed yet, but that's okay. We're building a system here, not pulling a slot machine. Days 8 to 14 action. Share existing content in 3 to 5 relevant communities daily. Build and publish your lead magnet. Start your email list. Quick pause. If you want the full version of the beginner checklist I'm describing now, it's sitting in the description below. It's absolutely free. Grab it, and you'll have a head start on everything I'm walking you through here. By day 15, something important has changed. You're not guessing anymore. You have real data. You know which piece of content got the most views. You know which emails got the most opened, and you know which calls to action got clicked. And here is where most people make a critical mistake. They ignore that data and just keep doing what they planned. Don't do that. Days 15 through 25 are about doubling down on what's working and cutting what isn't. If one video topic got significantly more views than the others, make 2 more videos on closely related questions in that same topic cluster. If a certain email subject line got a 40% open rate, write your next 3 emails with the same structure. This isn't complicated. It's just paying attention and responding to what your audience is telling you. Here's the other thing I'd focus on in this window, your email sequence. By day 15, you should have at least 10 to 15 people on your email list. Small but real. These are warm people. They opted in for a reason. Now you're going to write a simple 5 email sequence that goes out automatically to every new subscriber. Email 1. Deliver the lead magnet they signed up for. Welcome them. Tell them who you are in 2 sentences. Email 2. Share your story, not your whole life story. The specific moment you realized affiliate marketing was real, the moment it clicked for you. Email 3. Give them something useful with no strings attached. A tip, a resource, a tool recommendation. Email 4. Address the number 1 objection, the thing most beginners say. This sounds good, but I don't think I can do it. Answer that objection honestly. Email 5. Make your recommendation. Share your affiliate offer, not as a hard sell, as a natural next step. If you want the system I used to build this, here it is. That 5 email sequence, set up once, runs forever. Every new person who joins your list goes through it automatically. That's how your passive income machine runs in the background. Now let's talk about the $1,000 math, because I want you to see exactly how realistic this is. If your affiliate program pays $2,000 per sale, you need 5 sales in 30 days. That's 1 sale every 6 days. With 3 pieces of content, an email list, and the community distribution, that's not a stretch, it's a plan. If your program pays $500 per sale, you need 2 sales, just 2. This is why choosing the right affiliate program on day 1 matters so much. The math changes everything. Right, we're almost at day 30, but before we get there, here's one thing I need to tell you that nobody else will. Day 30 is a checkpoint, not a finish line. I want to be honest with you about what day 30 looks like, because I think too many videos paint an unrealistic picture. Some of you will hit $1,000 before day 30. If you've been consistent, you've built your list, and you choose a high commission program, it's absolutely achievable. Some of you will be at $200 or $500, and here's what I want you to understand. That's not failure. That's a business with traction. Your 1 system improvement, 1 better video, 1 better email subject line, 1 better call to action from doubling it. And some of you will have made $0, but if you follow this plan, you'll have something more valuable than a one-time commission. You'll have content library, and that's still generating views, an email list that's still growing, a system that's running while you sleep. That's not zero, that is a foundation. And here's what I do on day 30, regardless of where you are. Review your numbers. Total content pieces published, total email subscribers, total clicks to your affiliate offer, total sales. Then ask yourself one question. If I do everything I did this month again next month, but slightly better, where will I be? The question that separates the people who get $1,000 a month from the people who stay stuck. Not talent, not luck, just the willingness to iterate. I want to leave you with just one thing, and this is probably the most important part of this entire video. The number one reason people don't make the first $1,000 online isn't strategy, it's patience. We live in a world of instant everything, instant results, instant validation, instant feedback. And when your day 7 comes around and your video has 43 views and you've made $0, your voice in your head starts saying, maybe this isn't for me. My friend, let me tell you something directly. Every single person I know who built a real online income, not a 1-week spike, but actually monthly passive income, went through exactly that moment. The moment where the results didn't match the effort yet. The difference between them and the people who quit isn't skill, it's the ability to trust the system long enough for the system to pay off. You don't need to hustle harder, you need to stay longer. I spent a long time chasing faster and easier, and the irony is, the moment I stopped looking for shortcuts and starting building a real system, the money started flowing faster than it ever did when I was scrambling. You don't need hustle, you need leverage. That's something I say a lot, and I really mean it. Build the content, build the list, set up the automation, let it run, and give it time. All right, my friend, let's bring it all together. Day 1, pick your niche and one qualifying affiliate program. Days 3 through 7, publish 2 or 3 pieces of content answering specific questions your audience is already searching for. Day 8 through 11, distribute your content in communities, build your lead magnet, and start your email list. Days 15 through 25, double down on what's working, build your 5 email welcome sequence, let the automation run. Day 30, review, iterate, and commit to month 2. If you want the complete beginner checklist, the exact resource that walks you through every one of these steps, grab it in the description below. It's completely free and it'll give you a clear starting point for day 1. And if this video helped you, if it gave you a clear picture of what's actually possible, do me a favor and hit the like button. It genuinely helps this content reach more people who need it. I'll see you in the next video. If you're looking for a done-for-you system where all of the above is incorporated into it, follow the link in my bio and you'll be pleasantly surprised on all of the training and actions that are already done for you.